Good morning, student. How are you? Actually, in study of compound chapter 7th C in chemistry, I have started nitric acid. In nitric acid, I have explained about molecular weight of the nitric acid, its formation, how nitric acid is formed. Now, in 8th century, nitric acid known as aqua fortis. In 8th century, chemists say that this is a aqua fortis. It means that strong water. I am not saying heavy water. Strong water, because heavy water, that is deuterium oxide D2O. That is heavy water. In 8th century, it was known as aqua fortis, means strong water. After that, in 1658, Glover prepared it with the help of nitrate, potassium nitrate with sulfuric acid. How it's prepared? They prepare. See that when potassium nitrate react with that, it's form nitric acid and potassium hydrogen sulfate. Potassium hydrogen sulfate he prepared, but he don't know about its composition and its property. After that, in 1784, Henry Cavendish studied the composition of nitric acid and said that it is a compound of hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen. This is a small introduction about nitric acid. Now about the occurrence of nitric acid. Actually, nitric acid can be formed by lightning discharge. See that when nitrogen and oxygen in lightning, when lightning take place, lightning discharge, or when you can see that during rainy season, when lightning take place at a very high temperature, temperature, when lightning take place, it's form nitric oxide. Because you know that in atmosphere 78% nitrogen and 20.9% oxygen, they can't combine together. Their reaction start at a very high temperature or when lightning take place. It's form nitric oxide. This nitric oxide again combined with oxygen present in our atmosphere and form nitrogen dioxide. This nitric oxide form after lightning discharge, and when nitrogen which are free in atmosphere maximum percentage, oxygen also free in atmosphere. When lightning take place, it's form nitric oxide. When nitric oxide react with excess oxygen present in our atmosphere, it's form nitrogen dioxide. And this nitrogen dioxide in presence of oxygen and rainwater, then it's form nitric acid. Oxygen 4 to 8, 8, 10, 10 to 12, 4, 3 and 12, already balanced. This generally you can say that acid rain. You know that in atmosphere as a pollutant sulfur dioxide, when sulfur dioxide react with water, sulfur dioxide react with rainwater, it forms sulfurous acid. Sulfurous acid, not sulfuric acid. These are called acid rain. Now see that when this effect of the acid, already you know that when this nitric acid come to the earth, when it react with the soil, like calcium carbonate with nitric acid, it's form calcium nitrate calcium nitrate and carbon dioxide and water. See, this calcium nitrate is a nitrogenous fertilizer, means, and this nitrogenous compound absorbed by plants, plant to animal, human beings or other living things, means the conversion of free nitrogen into the nitrogenous compound is called fixation of nitrogen. Fixation of nitrogen. Now question is that what do you mean by fixation of nitrogen? Means answer, the conversion of free nitrogen into the nitrogenous compound known as fixation of nitrogen. And you know that carbon dioxide is useful in photosynthesis. Plants prepare their own food with the help of carbon dioxide and water vapor in presence of sunlight with the help of chlorophyll, known as photosynthesis. Means conversion of free nitrogen into the nitrogenous compound known as fixation of nitrogen. What do you mean by fixation of nitrogen? The conversion of free nitrogen into the nitrogenous compound is known as fixation of nitrogen, and this all step, 4 step, explain the fixation of nitrogen. All 4 steps. So you write the all 4 steps for the preparation of nitrogenous compound, or that is called fixation of nitrogen. Now we are moving toward lab preparation of nitric acid. How can you prepare nitric acid in lab? See first reaction. When chili saltpeter means that is called sodium nitrate. Next one, nitrate or Bengal salt, that is potassium nitrate. When sodium nitrate means chili saltpeter or nitrate or Bengal salt react with concentrated sulfuric acid. See that when sodium nitrate react with concentrated sulfuric acid, temperature should be lower than 200 degrees Celsius. Should be low. I will explain what happens when temperature will be more than 200 degrees Celsius. X form sodium hydrogen sulfate and nitric acid. Similarly, when Bengal salt, potassium nitrate react with concentrated sulfuric acid, temperature less than 200 degrees Celsius. X form potassium hydrogen sulfate and nitric acid. This is the lab preparation of the nitric acid. Now you see about the diagram. What is chili saltpeter? Maybe some question. Write the formula of chili saltpeter. So you don't be confused. Sodium nitrate known as chili saltpeter and potassium nitrate known as Bengal salt. Don't consider that it is found in the Bengal, so name of this compound is Bengal salt. Beginning name of Bengal salt, or nowadays nitrate. It is also useful for the making gunpowder. Now see that means in diagram for the preparation of nitric acid. Since nitric acid is highly corrosive, so all the apparatus should be made of the glass. Means we have to take a glass retort and clamp it on a stand. This here Bunsen burner to maintain the temperature less than 200 degree Celsius to maintain. This is a glass retort. Now round bottom flask, clamp this flask also on a stand and that you clamp here. Now after that, base you give. Now here cooled water, cool water, why see that? This is a round bottom flask, already you know that. Round bottom flask. This one is stand. See that see the reaction. Okay, I am going to rub this one. When chili saltpeter or sodium nitrate, you have taken that, either this one or nitrate. You are free to take any compound which are available in the lab. Here sodium nitrate with concentrate sulfuric acid plus concentrate sulfuric acid react with concentrate sulfuric acid, temperature less than 200 degrees Celsius. Expand sodium hydrogen sulfate and nitric acid. Actually, see that this is acidic salt. What happen if temperature will be more than 200 degrees Celsius? Okay, glass retort I am writing here. Glass retort. If sodium nitrate same compound we are taking and temperature is 200 degrees Celsius, more than 200 degrees Celsius, suppose that 200 degrees Celsius more than, expand sodium sulfate and nitric acid. Maybe question, sir, we can prepare the nitric acid if temperature may be 200 degrees Celsius or less than 200 degrees Celsius. So what is a reason to mention the temperature? Maybe question. See that this is a normal salt, this one acidic salt. When nitric acid vapor form here, and here it's formed a hard crust of sodium sulfate. First condition, if temperature will be more than 200 degrees Celsius, glass apparatus may be damaged, can be damaged. So temperature should be less than 200 degrees Celsius. Second reason, wastage of the fuel. If temperature will be more than 200 degrees Celsius, maybe fuel is wasted. Third reason, here from sodium sulfate or normal salt, hard crust of sodium sulfate which stick on the side of the retort or glass apparatus, and it is difficult to clean it. Whereas sodium hydrogen sulfate easily, it's not form hard crust, easily you can clean it. So what is the reason? What happen if temperature will be more than 200 degrees Celsius? First reason, glass apparatus may be damaged. Second reason, wastage of the fuel. Third reason, it's form hard crust of the compound which stick on the side of the glass retort and difficult to remove it easily. Okay. So the temperature should not be more than 200 degree Celsius. Next question is that what is the use of this cold water? Because here it's form vapor of nitric acid, and this cool water easily convert this vapor into the liquid form, means after condensation it change into the liquid form. This is the lab preparation of nitric acid. Now collection, nitric acid contains are collected in the water cooled receiver, same process I had explained. Now how can you know that? Test of identification of nitric acid. See that maybe temperature will be more than 200 degrees Celsius. This nitric acid can be decomposed and form. See that nitric acid, when nitric acid react with the copper turning its form, nitric acid react with the copper turning its form nitrogen dioxide, reddish brown in color, reddish brown vapor, that is vapor. Means what is the taste of this nitric acid? How can you know that it is from nitric acid? Because you bring copper turning near the nitric acid or the vapor of the nitric acid and its form nitrogen dioxide, which are reddish brown in color. This is the identification of nitric acid. Now the question related to this, many question related to that. First question is that why sulfuric acid is not used? Why hydrochloric acid is not used for preparation of nitric acid? I am writing second reaction of preparation of nitric acid. Potassium nitrate with sulfuric acid, concentrate form, its form potassium hydrogen sulfate and nitric acid. First question, why hydrochloric acid is not used for preparation of nitric acid? Since hydrochloric acid is also volatile. Hydrochloric acid and nitric acid both are volatile in nature. So we not use, means you know the meaning of volatile, easily we evaporate. Next question, why we use concentrate sulfuric acid? Because concentrate sulfuric acid is non-volatile, which are capable to easily displace nitric acid. Why sulfuric acid is used for the preparation? Because sulfuric acid is not volatile and which capable to displace easily nitric acid. Now molar ratio should be 1:1. Now on another question, all the apparatus should be made of the glass because nitric acid is highly corrosive. It's react with cork, rubber or other things. So all the apparatus used here made of the glass. It's attack on the rubber, cork, etc. Next question. Yeah. Afterward, industrial preparation of the nitric acid. In industrial preparation of the nitric acid, I am going to explain. Before that, one more question is there. The nitric acid prepared in the lab, that is a little bit yellowish in color, whereas pure nitric acid is colorless. So why the nitric acid you are going to prepare in the lab, that is little bit yellowish in color? See that because nitric acid decompose and form nitrogen dioxide, water, oxygen. See that due to presence of dissolved nitrogen dioxide, due to presence of dissolved nitrogen dioxide, this is yellowish in color. Means it's easily decomposed at a high temperature. The question is that why nitric acid prepared in the lab, pure nitric acid is the colorless. Why the nitric acid prepared in the lab that is little bit yellowish in color? Because it's decomposed at a temperature and form nitrogen dioxide. Due to presence of dissolved nitrogen dioxide, it is yellowish in color. Thank you. Have a nice day.